The Duke of Sussex has been accused of wasting court time after missing the first day of proceedings because he celebrated his daughter's birthday. Andrew Green KC, for Mirror Group Newspapers, MGN, said it was extraordinary that Harry was not in the High Court for the opening of his own case. Justice Fancourt, the judge hearing the case, added he was a little surprised to hear that Harry would not be attending. It comes as the Duke's barrister, David Sherborne, told the court that Harry will likely give evidence on Tuesday after flying into the UK overnight from Los Angeles, where he celebrated Princess Lilibet's birthday. Mr. Green, who will be cross-examining the Duke of Sussex on behalf of MGN, said he has quite a lot to get through with the Duke, and will need around 1.5 days. I have to cross-examine him on 33 articles, and that cannot be done in one day. If I am to put to him even a small number of the public domain documents and in many cases explain the sources of the information, the documents are relevant to the question of damages, he told the court. The Duke is suing Mirror Group Newspapers, MGN, for damages over alleged unlawful information gathering. Mr. Sherborne is pointing out that the Mirror Group newspaper, MGN, journalists who wrote the 33 articles Prince Harry claims were obtained by unlawful means are not being called to give evidence. He suggests that as they are not appearing to explain how they secured the story, the judge should conclude that it is more likely than not that the information was gathered illegally. The judge asked Mr. Sherborne if that should still be the inference even when the same story appeared in a different newspaper the previous day, and even if it did not include any new information. The evidence is that journalists would be expected to find some new angle or to further the story, Mr. Sherborne replied. This is important as MGN argues that many of the stories were simply rewrites from articles printed in other newspapers.